I really want to ask the viewers out there, why are people bashing Colaz Smith Tv for the statement he made on a previous video?
We are shut up Airbnb starting September. You see me? We actually start working and, well, start painting, the house. What we are doing now, we are painting. Painter actually start working yesterday.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. So we have been talking about the whole Colaz TV and the whole entire thing that has been going on as it relates to Ground God. So recently, Colaz started to get a whole lot of bashing based on a recent pronouncement that he made that he was going to be using the area that he was building or renovating, I should say, for Ground God to do an Airbnb. I've watched the comment section. I've seen what people are actually saying about it, that he should not be doing it. Some is actually agreeing with the whole entire process of him turning that nice space with the wonderful view of the ocean into an Airbnb. But this has not gone down well with some of the viewers, and they are bashing him online for the whole entire thing. But at the end of the day, when you look on what is going on, I believe that Colaz, he have the right to do what he want to do with that actual place. He was the one that is spending his money. He is one that has been supervising the whole entire work from that project started. And when you look on the whole entire thing that blew up on social media recently with the whole entire argument and thing, I can't actually blame him for doing what he planned to do with the actual place itself. But people are there bashing this young man, and they don't know the real facts behind what is actually going on. We don't know if maybe Gonga decided that she's not going to actually take the place anymore based on what has happened between both of them. So that might be one of the underlying factors. That's why he decided to actually do this with the actual place, because remember, he has spent a whole lot of money, and it doesn't make sense he spend this whole lot of money on this actual place and then just leave it there to go to waste. So I believe that this is actually a good move by Colaz in order to get this place out there on the market, because you see, Colaz right now is one of the best, I should say, YouTubers out there right now. He's actually one of the trending names out there on the space right now, and he's actually doing his thing, building his platform, and just continue to do greatness in his area of skill and also his endeavors that he's actually taking on. But when you look on the whole entire thing and how people are trying to bash this individual, one thing I've learned, when you try to do good, there's always people there to tear you down. If you're not doing anything good, then people will not tear you down. He actually tried to help so many different people from different walks of life, different race, all over. He has even taken his charity thing on an international level, helping people in different country, and all this individual get in return is just bashing and bashing. I believe that people need to just ease off him right now and just let this gentleman do what he's doing, because when you look on the whole entire situation, some of the people that are criticizing this individual, Colaz Smith, they have not even helped someone since the start of the year. So I don't see why everybody is just coming down on this individual and bashing him for what he did. The man have the right to do what he's actually doing. He actually was the one that initiated the whole entire project with that house, and we actually saw how the whole entire thing turned out online last week or a few weeks ago. So I can't blame the man for actually backtracking on what he planned to do with it originally, even though I'm not going to say it's a good look. But however, some of the time you just have to just do the thing that is right within your mind itself. This individual is only trying to do what is best in his own interest, and I can't blame him for doing that, because all the time we worry about people too much instead of taking time to worry about ourselves. So when you look on that place now, that individual would have spent a whole lot of money. I'm talking about Colaz. A whole lot of money was actually spent on that place in order to get it renovated, get the windows, get it tiled out, get the roofing sorted out, get the surrounding areas sorted out as well. Because remember, at one point in time, there were so many trees and so surrounding the actual premises. And when you look at it now, you actually have a good view of the actual place itself. So I can't see why people are actually bashing this individual for just actually turning back on what he actually said he was going to do with the actual project. Ground God is living her own life, as many can see right now. Ground God has moved on with her life, living her life with Nick, thinking about her baby. So I don't believe that this should be an issue right now, why people are making it seem so hard that Colaz is actually going to use this house that he actually spent his own money, a house that he grew up in, and he spent his own money to renovate it to where it's at right now. And then he decided that he wanted to do something else with the actual project, which will bring in some revenue for him. He spent his money, so I believe that the move is a great move, and people should just stop bash this individual and just watch on the progress that is actually going on as it relates to him doing his thing, doing his cooking, doing these adventures that people enjoy watching so much. I don't know if you see how Colaz TV has just keep on growing, and it just continue to build even despite the negative adversities that this channel is getting. This channel is one of those channels that continue to excel. Even when they fight, the channel keep getting bigger and bigger, and people can't seem to understand that is what is actually going on. So it don't make sense you fight down this individual or try to bring him down or tear him down in no shape or form. It's not going to work, because if you've been watching and analyzing, especially for this week, Colaz has put in himself in overdrive. He's doing more videos, more content for the viewers, and just trying to push himself out there more for the world to see, and to get himself out there more on more screens for people to watch. He tries very best to put himself out there and just move past the negative vibes that he got last week and just focus on the real aim and goal right now, and is to put his YouTube channel out there, making his money, doing his thing, living his life, keeping up with the team, and just building a great fan base and a community that is looking up to him right now. So I can't understand why people make him seem as if this individual is doing all the bad things in the world, when he's actually doing so much good things for people to be recognizing from all walks of life. Once you see an individual rising up, there's always somebody there trying to pull you down. But guess what? You just have to keep your head above the water, and that is what Colaz Smith is doing right now. Colaz Smith is not listening to the negative vibes that he is getting. He's pushing through, he's doing his thing, doing more videos, and just building more content to build his fan base, which I believe is a wonderful move, because you can't make people get you down in a time like this. I know that this man has invested so much money into what he's doing right now. He's taking this very serious, as you can see, and I just want people to just leave this individual alone, because I've been watching him. I see how he move, I see how he help his team, and I see how he continue to help others around him, not only people that he know, but people that are a stranger to him, and he actually helping these individuals in order to make their life better. And I believe that he will continue to do this as time goes by to help more people. So I don't want people to be tearing down Colaz Smith TV, because the team is a very good team, and it's very good to know that he actually stick with the team that he have right now, and just continue to just build on what he have and bringing it out there for more to see, and for the culture of Jamaica to be spreading on a global scale, which is very good. I realize that people like these adventurous videos, the cooking videos out there in the open space, especially if you're living in certain countries. And I believe that people just like the authentic way of how he do his things, and just how he just prepare his whole entire meal and everything. The whole team go through the whole entire process of preparing the meal and just getting everything in order. As you know, everybody have their own little thing to add to the video. You know, Sax is the chicken man, and you have all others that play their part in actually getting the video out there, or these videos out there for our people to see. So it don't make sense we bash Colaz Smith TV or try to tear this man down, because I believe he's doing a really good job. He's doing his YouTube videos, and he's actually growing his platform into something more than just a YouTube channel. that is very good of him, because when you look at this individual, you have many people out there that are getting thousands of views and they're not doing what this individual is doing. They're not looking back on people in their community, people that they have grown up with, people that they take on board their projects, and to help them in such a way that this individual is actually doing. So I have to give my hats off to Colaz Smith Tv, the whole team. They are doing a marvelous job, and people just continue to support Colaz Smith Tv, because this individual is doing great things, and I know that his channel will excel more and more as the days go by. So this is where I'm going to leave this video though. Thanks for watching as always, and I will continue to rep for Colaz Smith Tv. No problem. All right, peace.